Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's STDEV tutorial, we will learn how to calculate standard deviation in Excel. Standard deviation helps measure how much values in a dataset differ from the average. It is commonly used to understand data spread in analysis reports and performance tracking. To get started, open your Excel worksheet and enter your data into a single row or column. Then select the cell where you want the result to appear. In my case, I want the result to appear in this cell. Start by typing an equals sign. Then type the formula STDEV. You can also select the formula from the list to avoid any typos. Next, select the rows or data range you want to calculate the standard deviation for. After selecting the data, just press Enter. The standard deviation will then be calculated. A lower result means the data points are closer to the average, while a higher value indicates more variation in the dataset. This method works in both Excel web and the desktop version, and that sets it. We just learned how to calculate standard deviation in Excel using the standard deviation formula. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.